Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about a special word. The word is analyst. Let's discover what it means together. The word analyst is an important word. Many people use this word every day. It describes a special kind of job. Let's learn more about it. An analyst is someone who looks at things very carefully. They study information. They try to understand what the information means. This is their main work. An analyst is a person. This person has a special skill. They are good at understanding information. They work in many different places. What does an analyst do? An analyst looks at information. They study numbers, facts, and data. They try to find patterns. They search for answers to questions. Analysts look at information every day. This information can be numbers. It can be words. It can be pictures or charts. They examine everything closely. After looking at information, analysts find answers. They solve problems. They discover important things. These answers help other people understand better. Analysts help people make decisions. They share what they learned. They explain their findings. This helps companies, schools, and many others choose the right path. There are many types of analysts. Each type works in a different area. Some work with money. Some work with computers. Some work with markets. All of them study information. A business analyst works with companies. They look at how a business works. They find ways to make the business better. They help companies grow and succeed. A data analyst works with numbers and data. They use computers to study information. They create charts and graphs. They find patterns in large amounts of data. A financial analyst works with money. They study investments. They look at stocks and markets. They help people make smart choices about money. A market analyst studies customers. They look at what people want to buy. They understand market trends. They help companies know what products to make. Analysts need special skills. They must be careful and pay attention to details. They need to be good with numbers. They must be curious and ask questions. They should be smart problem solvers. Analysts use many tools to do their work. They use computers and software. They create charts and graphs. They use calculators. These tools help them study information faster and better. Why are analysts important? They help us make better choices. They find information that we might miss. They save time and money. They help businesses and people succeed. Analysts work with teams. They share their findings with others. They listen to questions. They work together to solve big problems. Teamwork makes their work stronger. Let's remember what we learned. An analyst is a person who studies information. They find answers and solve problems. They help people make good decisions. There are many types of analysts in different fields. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. We hope you enjoyed learning about the word analyst. Keep watching to learn more interesting words. Wordscience makes learning fun and easy. Thank you for watching. We are happy you joined us today. Keep learning new words with us. Every word opens a new door to knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to Wordscience. Click the subscribe button. Join our learning family. We have many more words to explore together. See you in the next lesson.